purest, most beautiful gas station oxygen.
Genius.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. We have one shot at this.
Oxygen, brother.
Oh, Patty.
I just woke up. So we went to like 7 stores, couldn't find anywhere with air. We just cut that all out. So we're here now. We found the air.
The people have no idea what you're talking about right now. We've been doing these videos lately. We've done the world's first ice skate ledge, and we've done the world's first 100% wax skate ledge. Now we're gonna take it to the next level. We are doing
To the atmosphere, pretty much.
yeah, to the atmosphere, to outer space where there's none of it. The world's first 100% oxygen air ledge.
Yeah.
Oh, we got air. We were thinking about it and we were like, how could we make air into a ledge? And then we thought, what place has air? So we went to a bunch of different places and thought, let's get air at a gas station. Pump it up, fellas. We have 3 very large 10-gallon bags, might even be more than that, and we're gonna fill it up with air, take it back to the Braille house, and then build our air ledge and then skate the air ledge. What did you say to the guy inside, Uzi?
I said, let me get some air. And he said something. I didn't know what he said. And then I just ran out here.
Inflation is going up.
All right, I think that's
You're gonna have to tie it.
I'm gonna pull it out.
Hold the air, keep the air.
Get another bag.
Uzi, I'm putting you in responsibility of securing the air. Bag number 2.
Sounds like when you get your teeth clean.
It does. Do you think that guy is watching us right now? Like, what are these freaking idiots doing with my air?
We can get as much air as we can get. If he comes out here, we at least got a bag.
This is the purest, most beautiful gas station oxygen.
You can only get it at gas stations.
Yeah, we were thinking of going to like Party City to get helium, but then it wouldn't be air, it'd be helium. And then our ledge would float away.
All right, we got one more. You think 3 will be enough?
Well, that's all we got, brother.
You know, in terms of ideas, I think this is one of the best ones we've ever had.
Genius.
Not trying to inflate my ego or anything. He's mad?
Kind
What'd he
of.
say?
I was like, we need some more air. And he was just like, what? And I was like, we need some more air? And he was like, he just gave me like a dirtiest look and like went and turned it on.
Wow, look at that. Since we only have 3 bags, I think we should use everything we have. Uzi, put some in your pocket.
There we go.
Help me out, brother. Here you go. Betty, hurry, get some air. Wait, put some in your hands, put some in your hands. We have successfully pulled off the air heist. What do you think, guys? You think this air ledge is gonna work?
Can you wax air?
Does air even need to be waxed is the real question.
It doesn't need to be, but can it be?
We're set. Let's go back and build this ledge right now. We have precious cargo. We have bags of air.
What is happening?
We have some air. All right, hey, wait, do not let the air escape.
It's pretty light.
Wait, Hey, Fetty.
Hey.
What you doing?
I think I forgot something in there. So now we gotta build our ledge.
So,
Hey, privates, you got my exhaust samples?
wait, no, seriously, I need your science for this video. We need to build a ledge made out of air.
Okay.
You were here for the ice, you were here for the wax.
Yeah.
Now, how do we take this air
You can hear
and
it.
turn it into a ledge?
Well, the first thing we're gonna do is turn that air, we're gonna turn it into a solid, all right? Once we turn it into a solid, we're gonna then skate that solid there, air there.
So wait, you... God! So you're telling me you learned in the Army how to turn air into a solid?
Pretty much, man.
What do we need?
We need 2 privates, not the nasty kind, some highly intelligent people.
Uzi?
I got a mold. We're gonna need some uranium and some cryptochronic light.
So we need a hammer, a
Yeah.
blowtorch.
Yeah, yes. That is the key, brother. We're gonna make this here oxygen ledge. I don't know if you've seen it before, but I've seen it and it's pretty fantastic. I cannot lie. Wait, we're doing
What the
that
hell
right now?
is going on right now?
I got the mold for the air oxygen ledge.
I have a few tools. I brought scissors. What is this called? A wrench. I brought a snake, a drill, a hammer, and a torch.
Well, the
Let's do
first
this.
thing that's key is essential. You gotta debug all of this. And what I mean by debug, you gotta get all that negative air out of it before we put the positive air in. So.
The next step, you gotta use the snake to scare the air out of it.
Scare it out. Oh, it's a snake. Air, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Must
Oh,
do.
wait. Cut the edges of it. All right, we got all the air on the outside right there. Don't let that out. That is very valuable.
I have so many questions, man.
We have one shot at this. Yes. This is very important. You cannot mess this part up.
So we have him handling the bag?
Why? Who gave this man a bag? Who gave this man a bag?
I almost had to fight the gas station manager for this.
All right. Simultaneously, open your bag and pour it out very neatly. And then Carlos, grab that hammer. You're gonna hammer in all the air on this side. I'm gonna wrench it in on this side. All right, are you guys ready to dump your air in here? Are you ready to hammer? All right, and 3, 2, 1, air it up. Hold it in there. Hold it in there. Hold it in there. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
I got some air escaping on my side, Carlos.
All right. Carlos, I need you to get me some IB-10 Tangos. I need you to get me some BA-11s. Stat. What are you? Why would you do that?
Okay, I'll fix it.
Oh my God! No! Hands only! Get this man out of here! Get him out of here! Get him out of here! You smooth it out. Can you really fix that part? He done screwed it.
Now we just let it set.
How long does it take, Nigel?
We let it marinate. About a day.
Takes about a day to set.
So nobody touch this. Just leave it alone. We'll be back here tomorrow.
Deal.
Good job, buddies.
Thank you. Oh, we are dumb. I'm recording.
Oh, we're recording? Troy, you're ruining it! What? 24 hours we waited for this to be solid.
It looks
and
set.
you just, all right, well, you know what? We gotta check it first. Let's check it first.
How do you check it?
You know what? Don't talk to me right now. I don't even want to hear it. All right, you good. Get up,
Aaron, you
gentlemen.
look confused.
It
is
might
what
be
it is.
heavy. I don't know. This is my only like 33rd time doing this, so I don't know if it's gonna be heavy, but we gotta pick it up, turn it over, and then we got our air box.
These guys. Let's pick it up and move it. I don't know how heavy oxygen is, but I don't know. It might not be light. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Mother mercy!
Lift with your back, not your legs.
Scoot it! Scoot it!
Okay, on 3. 3!
1, 2, 3.
All right.
Wow.
All right, well, let's get this sesh going, guys.
You think this is gonna work?
I mean, I think it'll do a couple slide tricks. No grinds, though, okay? No grinds.
What if you go through it?
Then you go through it. It happens.
What do you think is gonna
I
happen?
think we're gonna stick. I don't know if it's gonna slide.
This is the most high quality gas station air we could find.
It's a tripping hazard, dog.
Gabe, watch your foot. All right, let's skate.
Dude, that's crazy.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Mario, are you not entertained?
I am entertained, man. He's floating. My understanding cannot grasp like how he's floating on that thing. I don't know.
Uzi, how you feeling, man?
Should I try to ollie it?
Yeah.
I'll try to ollie.
Try it, Nigel.
Can I get in on this action, guys?
Dan, are you not entertained?
Yep, no, I'm going home now. Is that what it was? It was, yeah, it was.
Is that what dreams are made of, Gabe? Because I can't see anything.
What's up, Fetty?
I just realized, how do you toe drag air? That's crazy.
Yeah! So is this not the most amazing thing you've ever done?
Well, it's really cool so far, but I want to see how it grinds. You want to be the first grind?
Of course.
What are you going to do?
Back 50, the easiest trick in the book.
Hardest trick in the world.
I want to be walking on there. Oh! Oh no.
You gotta determine where the ledge is, man.
Yeah, how are you even knowing where to pop?
I just want to say this is the most beautiful ledge I have never seen in my life.
Ain't that right? How'd that feel?
It felt like a cloud.
Gliding through the air?
Riding through the air, dude.
Yeah! Yeah! How is it, man? You gotta tell me everything.
It's smooth.
Yeah, Petty.
Is that air in Cairo?
You can just do a kickflip nanny, but just scrape on it. No one will know it's not a 5-0.
True.
Oh, hold on to that, Los.
Held on for dear life.
Wow. Hi, Dan. I wish you were more impressed by this. That is dumb. That's dumb. Big spin? Damn, girl!
Sponsored by Airwalk.
I'm pretty hyped. I did another big spin backflip on I've never done that on a ledge, but I did on a visible ledge, made the oxygen, and it worked pretty good. I'm pretty hyped. And you got the kickflip back lip on invisible oxygen, brother. I almost broke. I turned into Gumby for a second.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard.